Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my video. So in this video I will talk about Roulette.com. Those who don't know, Roulette is an online gambling website. You can really make money here. So as I said, this is a gambling website. You can also lose money here. Yes, online gambling is legal in some countries and illegal in some countries, but online gambling is legal in the US. You can also play gambling through Bitcoin on Roulette. You can read such reviews on the internet where people have told that they have earned thousands of dollars from Roulette website. You can also earn money by referring your friends in this website. You can also refer me in this website. So if we talk about whether Roulette is a legal website or not, then I would like to say that is a legal website. There are many people who are using this website, and this website is so popular in the online gambling section. As you are seeing, this is very popular in USA and its Alexa ranking. And its Alexa ranking is also much better. So if you want, you can also join it. Now we will check how old the Roulette website is, how long it has been launched. So the website is about 3 years old and you can believe it. Now let's talk about how to join Roulette.com. You can join Roulette.com by your email account. You have to select your email account on Roulette.com and then you have to verify your email account. That's it. Now let's talk about the games. The first game of this website is called Slots. Slot have many games. Basically, Slot have 900 games. You can play each game to earn money. Games are very easy and simple to play. The popular games of these websites are roulette, mines, dice, and towers. I basically play mines because it's easy and simple. Here we can see it have play demo, so you can play demo before play for real. In play demo you can choose number of mines 5. You can choose 5 mines. So let's play demo. You have to select 5 star before bomb. If you select bomb before 5 star, you will lose. Let's check it out. 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. I lose because I select bomb before 5 star. So games are very easy. From here you can deposit your money by Bitcoin and Ethereum coin, and also from here you can withdraw your money by Bitcoin and Ethereum coin. So easy. If you want to join, you can check the link in my description. Thanks for watching. That's it for today.